Go, Maki.
And of course, member of Horizon, let's welcome Kyler! Yes, our main bukhaw boy.
Yes, we have Kyler
Yes.
here from Horizon.
Bam!
Congratulations to you guys, and also, syempre, shout out to Zeke Abelio.
Oo,
So,
absent na naman yung isa namin classmate. Si Zeke kasi nasa Cebu siya, so he couldn't fly here. But he will be here in spirit, in truth.
yes, in spirit and in truth. Wag na lang, di ba?
Wag na lang.
Wag na lang.
Zeke, kung naririnig mo to, Zeke, wag na lang.
Wag na
Pag
lang.
nagpakita ka sa amin, yari ka.
Yes. Okay. So again, our cast of Bughaw, Alexi and Kyler. Please take your seats, guys. Okay. With Maki here. Okay. Friends from the media, the floor is now yours to ask your questions. If you guys have a question, please raise your hand and also introduce yourself and the media that you are representing. Okay. Who would like to start our Q&A? Oh, diba? Feel ko, medyo shy pa sila, di ba? Maki?
Ay, huwag po kayo mahiya. Ang tagal na po natin nagaganito.
True, valid. Okay, hello,
Tanong
sir.
na po kayo.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Alan Sanpan, Stars Photography and Abante Tanay. I'm also a PMBC member. Yeah, congratulations, sir.
Thank you po.
PMBC winner last time, right? So, Maki, congratulations dito sa Maki Bughaw Hour. Please tell us something about this music video, how it started, and how was the feeling of doing directing at the same time you're an actor there?
Ang ganda po ng question kasi I try to always challenge myself whenever I venture sa mga bagong bagay or bagong songs actually na ginagawa ko po yung nag-release. So, ito po kasi nung Dilaw, nag-direct din po ako doon pero mas nag-acting po ako doon. But dito kasi po, while acting actually, nagde-direct ako. So kung may makikita ko yung behind the scenes, habang, alam niyo yung habang nag-acting ako, may lines ako, Kyler, ano mo to? Ano, Alex, ganun mo to? Ganun yung ginagawa namin. So, it was really a challenge for me, but it's something that I really, really love to do. So, I think baka magkaroon pa ng mga music videos. Sana po i-hire niyo akong director. Hindi, pero I really love and enjoyed. And of course, sila Alexi, si Kyler, and si Zeke, napakadaling katrabaho. So, sobrang good vibes po kami talaga. And I would love to direct more of my music videos.
Aside sa singing ba, pangarap mo maging director din talaga?
Ay, opo. Actually, gumraduate po ako ng Com Arts. And I really love directing, I really love productions. So this is something na pasok na rin po sa realm ng career ko. Sabi ko nga po one time na kung hindi man po ako naging singer, siguro nandito pa rin po ako. Baka katabi niyo po ako ngayon nakaganon. Ayun po.
Yeah, for Alexis naman and kay Kyler.
Ay, Alexi po.
Ay, Alexi pala and Kyler. Kamusta bilang director si Maki dito sa music video mo?
So ayun, super fun po niya. Tsaka lahat po ng details tinuturo niya po sa amin. Tapos so far naka-gets naman po kami agad yung mga tinuturo niya po. Yun.
Alexi.
And sobrang po, parang nakakadala din sa vibe. Pag may scene ganito, ganun. Tapos narinig mo sa side si Kuya Maki, oh, more, tama kayo, ha ha ha! Gaganon din siya. So mas nakakalo din sa scenes. And it's very nakaka-wow. Panoorin si Kuya Maki mag-direct din. Kasi syempre siya na nga yung singer. Tapos nagde-direct din siya. So
Galing.
it was amazing. Galing niyo po.
Last na lang for Maki. Maki, we know that ikaw yung sa mga singer ngayon na talagang very successful, di ba? With your song, with your genre. Pero if you have a choice, what is the song of your life and career right now?
Ano po? Sorry.
What is the song of your...
Oh. Song? Siguro po Simple by Joan. It's a song about reminiscing when life was simple. So ako po kasi as much as it's overwhelming yung mga nangyayari po ngayon, I really love to try to have my own time realizing everything that's happening, and sometimes it gets too much, so I try to keep it simple every time, like merong mga events na ganito po, for example, mga ganyan, nakikipagkulitan pa po ako kasi ayoko po masyadong nagiging serious sa mga bagay-bagay kasi, you know, life is too short to be super serious. So, I'm just taking it all in, but at the same time, I'm not giving myself the pressure, kumbaga, ng mga nangyayari ngayon. It's just that I need to go back sa kung ano yung reason kung ba't ako nag-start. And it's because I love music and I just enjoy it so much. So ayoko pong dumating yung time na magre-reminisce na lang ako sa good old days kasi dapat, you know, now is the time to enjoy and to be happy. Ayun po.
Thank you. Last na lang, Maki. Kasi you're a director. For sure, magaling ka ring actor. Nakita naman namin dito. Are you planning to try acting also, if given a chance? And then kung ita-try mo nga, sino yung gusto mo makaparehang mga kapamilya actor or actress that you want to work with soon?
Right now kasi I would love to focus on music, but if ever given a chance po or opportunity na makapag-acting, I think I would go with indie films, such as the films that they produce in UP. Kasi doon mas nandun yung edge ko po or nandun yung mas, feeling ko yung mas audience ko kasi I'm not the type of actor na pag sinabihan ng ganito kaya agad. Kumbaga, I love to take my time and to realize or internalize even the script, the plot, the overall story, if that's my principle, that's my moral, yun kung nare-reflect nito yung morals ko sa life, I would go for it without TF or anything. If ano kasi ako, maano po akong artist. Kumbaga, I love to be a voice of the voiceless. Yung mga ganun pong films kasi, I love watching indie films na nakakapagbigay ng empowerment to certain communities like LGBTQIA+, and of course, women's rights, at kung ano-ano pa pong mga bagay na pwedeng i-tackle. So yeah, indie films, kung gusto niyo po ako ulit, go lang po.
Any actor or actress you want to work with?
Makasama? Ooh. Alam niyo po, Sharon Cuneta. Sharon Cuneta, Miss Vilma Santos, Ann Curtis. Mali mo yung plot kakaiba. Mga ganun po. Sino pa ba? Sige, mga veteran po, kasi po I love learning new things. And siguro po kung mag-acting ako for the first time, ng debut ko talaga, I would love to learn sa mga tao pong nakakaalam kung ano yung industriya na to. Ayun po.
Thank you, Maki. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay? O, diba? Direct Maki na po ang tawag natin sa kanya.
Uy.
Yung next na ide-direct niya, concert na niya.
Ay,
Charot.
ang hirap naman nun.
No, Maki next song.
Okay, cue.
Ganun. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Next question. Who would like to go next? Yes po, miss. Let's have
Hannah Mallorca of Inquirer.net.
Yes, there you go.
So, hi Maki, Alexi, and Kyler. Congratulations sa inyo. So, Alexi and Kyler, alam ko hindi nyo to first music video. Si Kyler, alam ko nag-act ka na rin before in the music video. Kamusta yung feeling of this one, knowing na tungkol sa friendship siya?
Para sa akin, siguro, hindi na ako masyadong nahirapan po. Kasi, since na may background, like, parang po, na nagawa ko na po siya na before. Kaya nung second time ko na po, talagang, ganado.
Actually, add ko lang po doon, si Kyler, ever since nandun na siya, pag-acting na, pag-role na kami, as in, focus na siya. He's very work-driven. And I saw that in him na parang, grabe yung batang to. Ay, makabata, mas matanda ba ako sa'yo? 22 ka ba? 22 din ako. Hindi, pero po siya, sobrang work mode agad. Kumbaga, he knows when to make kulit, tapos he knows when to work. So, yeah, that's a thing I really like about him. Kasi work ethics talaga, it really matters. Ayun.
For me po, since it is my first time to be in another artist's MV, syempre na-pressure po ako kasi si Kuya Maki was like, oh my gosh, real! Oh my gosh, is this real? Pero being with them, being with the cast and working with Kuya Maki and his team, ang gaan niya po sa akin and ang grabe po nila mag-guide and ang good vibes, kaya parang it's parang nawala yung pressure ganun. And then, syempre parang nung pinitch pa nila, when they explained to us yung story niya, yung message niya, and it was about friendship, mas lalong dumali yung parang yung process and yung job niyan. Kasi I feel very connected to friendship and one of my big support systems siya. So, I love that song talaga. Thank you, Maki!
Can you share any memorable moments while filming? Kahit sino sa inyo.
Ikaw, may naalala ka ba, bro?
Siguro yung ano po, naglaro po kami sa mga, sa mga tuloy. Dun sa ano po, sa, tawag doon, Dalampasigan ba yun? Sa beach po, yun. Dun po, nagharot-harutan po kami, dun nagkusik-kusik ng tubig.
Para po kami nag-outing ng ganun. Which reflects talaga, di ba?
Same din, yung water, syempre. But there was another one, nung scene na parang nasa tricycle kami, gano'n. So nag-walk-walk kami sa road. Tapos may mga paru-paro, may mga butterflies. Tapos naglaland talaga sila sa amin, sa whole team. Tapos parang, wow, ang brave ng mga butterflies. Di sila takot sa taon. Mas nakaka-good vibes, like, wow, bakit? Yan.
Ayun po.
So, last na lang from me, Maki. So, di ba syempre, huli mong songs is Dilaw and then Namumula, it's about love. Why did you choose to focus on friendship sa Bughaw?
Okay. So, as you can see, the concept of the music video is about friendship, but also it talks a lot about being there for another person. And that's a love that everyone needs. And I think yung Dilaw, it talked about self-love, which is yung kay Maloy sa last part na she learned how to love herself. And sa Namumula naman, it talks about a super passionate love na sobra-sobra to the point na masasagasaan ka, na mapipilayan ka, masusugatan ka. And this one, it talks a lot about, a different kind of love where siguro mas nandun sa point na hindi lang platonic eh. I think it talks a lot about yung love na nakukuha natin from people na alam natin na magsistay forever. And I think it speaks a lot about blue, the Bughaw color. Kasi alam niyo yung feeling na kahit mag-college na kayo ng mga high school friends mo, mag-work na kayo, you still look at the same sky, the same blue sky. And whenever you gather, whenever you see each other again, it's still the same. So, para sa akin, ganun po yung parang feeling na gusto ko pong i-incorporate or gusto namin i-incorporate and yung message mo ng mismong song and ng mismong music video. And there is a lot to unpack actually sa music video na yan that I really don't like to tell in detail kasi I want people to interpret kung ano yung nakikita nila from that music video na sana good thing. Kumbaga, matouch yung heart nila in a different way as Dilaw and Namumula. Ayan.
Thank you sa inyong tatlong. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Thank you,
Thank you
Hannah.
so much, Miss Hannah. Okay. Yes, to help me out with our question and answer we have here. Yes, sir, to help me out. Yes,
Yeah,
po.
thank you, Ayana. Our next question will come from Jenna De Vera of Manila Concert Junkies.
Hello. First of all, congratulations for the music video.
Thank you.
Sobrang ganda niya. I can feel like people are gonna make wallpapers out of it or dedicate it to their friend
we
group as
love
well.
wallpapers.
Yes. First question lang, anyone can answer. So, how did this casting come about? Like, what was the process of like having this very youthful, very young cast members in the music video?
I think ako lang ata ang sasagot nito. Okay. So, ako talaga po, I really love making stories out of people na alam kung kaya nilang gawin yan. And based on their appearance also and their vibe, na as a person talaga, not only in social media, but as a person, na alam kong may incorporate nila yung characters na ginawa namin for them. So, I picked them, ex-member ng YG, Alexi, and also si Kyler from Horizon, and then si Zeke Abella. Actually, kami ni Zeke, we're really good friends, but we never met each other as friends talaga. So, naging close kami on social media. And ako po, personally, nakita ko agad kay Zeke na he's the kind of friend na gusto kong ma-represent sa music video ng Bughaw. Since we all have that friend na laging funny, you know. Siya yung laging masaya, but at the end of the day, meron siyang sariling, he has his own fair share moments of sadness. And I would love to talk more about people who is challenged of having these kind of thoughts within themselves, like depression, for example. Kasi a lot of people na we see sometimes are very happy, or yung mga kaibigan natin na sobrang saya minsan, hindi natin alam, may something sa bahay. No? So, each of the characters here actually represents their own characters, their own unique characters na makikita nyo as you watch the music video. Kumbaga, pag papanoorin nyo po yung music video, hindi nyo po siya agad makikita kung sino-sino sila. So you need to rewatch and rewatch it. Marketing. But you need to rewatch it and rewatch it for you in order to, like for example, sa first watch mo, ang titignan mo muna si Zeke. Tapos sa pangalawa naman, gano'n, ayun po. But I'm really glad kasi kung sino po ang first choice ko na mga tao na makuha is sila rin po yung nakasama ko. So I'm just really happy na nakasama ko si Kyler, si Alexi, and si Zeke. Zeke, kung nasan ka man ngayon, sana masaya ka.